Okay, my name's Lyson Company.
Yeah.
I used to work for bulk mine explosives in Kalumbila.
Yeah.
I started in Kalumbila, that was in 2015.
Yeah.
From 2015 up to 2021. I quitted. First, before I quitted, I was promoted as a plant supervisor. So I worked for like 6 months, and then my salary was also upgraded. But then there was the thing of starting family. So I was weighing my scale. I didn't know what to do, but I had someone who was pushing me to stop working and start farming. Though farming was my dream, so I had no option but not to follow what others were telling me. Because most of them were saying, you want to succeed, you want to do what you want to do. But then my heart was always telling me to go to family. So no matter how much I started getting at BME, I decided to quit and started this farm. Here is a big chance of getting successful than in BME. What I was looking at, I wasn't looking at money I was getting and the money I'm getting here. What I was looking at is my future. Who am I going to be in the next few years? Was something which used to hurt me very much when I was working with BME. We started BME Kalumbila in 2015 when they won a contract with FQM, and then they had only one side. They have silos where they put their products, the ones they used to manufacture, and 4 trucks. That's how they started. So as time goes, I found that BME was growing and I wasn't growing. Yeah, so that also motivated me to start this farm. Because I always think the more we are growing BME, as we are not growing. So even if they were to chase me today at BME, I wouldn't have anything to look at. So now when I come here and start working for myself, because this is not how we started, this whole place was just a bush. But with time, we have now 2 good businesses. This other one which is about to be completed in the next few days. We are dealing in chickens. We've also started the garden. But the main purpose we started the Muko farm was to start keeping chickens. As you can see, we have these baby chicks. These are 10 days. Then we have also this flock, which is 4 weeks, 3 days. Then we have that other flock. We have birds which are ready for sale. Then we have also another flock where you are seeing black chickens there. Those ones we sold them, but unfortunately where we order, they added the village chickens. So we decided to keep them, and we've not yet made where they are going to be. So we will move them from here and take them outside. Then at the back there is also another flock, which is 14 days, 14 days, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, unfortunately she twasange Fatima boxes mostly mulesa limbaka black kama in the mwasa tiburu to black, but she match day is 51. So after 20 shower it's 150. Then sharp black tashkula akodin shi shower it's shena shida kusana. I am a village chickens. Now kusana ko na aya tumona fe mumushi. Aya la kula ko gwangu as compared to the but my village yali champuka vile vile shamumusha wana shire ko sha. From the time we started Muko farm, we've made 7 sales. Then this one is the 80th. So far from these, they were 491. We've sold 311. Yeah. So the customer was supposed to get them. Yeah, it's a good business in the sense that 500 night because I've learned that I've got more customers than the chickens I'm keeping. So others want to get these, but I promised to give someone else. So I'm still receiving because people need to. So we need to increase maybe to 1,500 to 2,000, so that at least we can meet the customer demand, and we can also start looking for other markets. These are 14 days. 14 days. Yeah, like when this area is swept, is sprayed with the outbreak control, and then we are using farm guard on the footpath on the door.